Welcome to the French Drainman channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to get underneath the sidewalk in 2 minutes. The easy way. You don't have to use water and create a muddy mess that you'll end up having to work in. We're going to show you an auger that you use on a big angle drill. Look at how easy this goes underneath the sidewalk. It doesn't matter what the soil type is. You're going to be able to go under a sidewalk in a matter of 2 minutes. This is the easiest way to drill underneath a sidewalk. If I was a DIYer and I had to go underneath a sidewalk in 2 or 3 places, it's worth the price of this auger. I'm going to share with you where you can get this auger. It's a custom auger and they make them by order. I'm going to give you all the information so that you can order one of these augers for your company or for your project. It's a wonderful small business, I believe out of Ohio. And I'm going to give you their phone number, their email. I'm going to show you their website so that I can direct you guys to this custom auger company, this small business, kind of a mom and pop business. And they do a wonderful job. You want to ask for Becky. Ask for Becky. The phone number is 865-585-7861. Their Gmail is customaugers@gmail.com. My crew has used this drill the entire year, and the auger has held up wonderfully. We've gone under every sidewalk the entire year with this. For 5% off, tell her that Robert at the French Drain Man told you to give her a call. If you found any of this information helpful, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you see anything in these videos and you have questions regarding that and you want me to expand on it and do a video on it, leave it in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.